Hi guys, I'm just going to start a new topic on MailChimp, email marketing. First of all, it's under email marketing. And by the way, do you know guys that from email also we can earn money and we can make conversation to people, we can get audience, we can grab audience from there, and it is all from MailChimp because email is one of the most important uh, social media platform, and it is also to give some knowledge about yourself to them. And from even though we are working on any company, we work on we we send our emails to some people for any work. We get information through emails, right? And it's also one of the most important thing for the digital marketing because so that we can get audience, we can get conversations, we can grab people who are interested in us, and we are always front of them and working for them, and we will be knowing so many things from email marketing. And one of the most important thing is how to get audience, how to get conversion, and how to be perfect email marketing person in this slide. I will show you how to be a perfect email marketing and what are there we can do in email marketing, and what are things where you can be and get the clients. Under email marketing, we are having like MailChimp and Sendinblue, and I'm going to show you what is MailChimp, how it works, what are the definition, or how are the functioning works, and all. Uh, and I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, MailChimp. Chimp. Let's not go to sign up, okay, because I have already my account. So let's go to sign in. Uh, Sign in. Okay, here you can see I have already my account, and let's log in to MailChimp and see what are the things we're going to study for today. And there are so many things in MailChimp also. First of all, you can see the pictures, and it is the logo of MailChimp, and it's a text board. And first only you can see a grade, right? Then campaigns, all campaigns. What are the campaigns you have made, you're making? It will always be in here in all campaigns. Email templates, audience. Um, by the way, audience here means that customer, okay, guys. Audience export, all content, sign up forms, tags, segments, survives, inbox, automations, analysis, websites, stores, appointments, domains, settings, reports. From here, like MailChimp or mail marketing is like if you want to if you want to have appointment, then you can send a mail to the other person, right? As a appointment in this date, I'm having this one and this, and I'm appointing a appointment for this topic. You can say like that and go on that. Let's go to create. In create, you can see first of all you see the mail, right? Automation, website, landing page, and creativities. Let's click. In mail email, there's regular plain text templates, right? And in website also there is website, domains, stores, appointments, and in creative assessment is creating designs, back background removers. It's all out here. Let's go with let's go with let's create something so that you can have something right. Let's go to landing page. Not landing page. Let's go to email. Then let's go to templates, right, guys? From here, you can. Here also, it's automatically be there will be so many templates for you to go. Just you don't have to write out things, anything. Just you can push it up what it is, and you just write what you want to. And from here, you can see two types of things. Here it's not coming anything, and here it's coming upgrade to use, right? Upgrade to use means you have to pay for it. If you like this one, if you want to this, if you want this template to be sent, then you need to pay for this one because it is upgrade to send, upgrade to use. And if you don't want to pay and if you don't have any money, then you can go with any templates where you don't find like upgrade to use, and you can be the best what you are. And let's go with this one, right? I'll just make one randomly template. Okay, it's loading. Yes, okay, guys. It's my logo now. Let's showcase. If you think that this logo is a little big, then you can minimize. It's just similar like a Canva. You just have to drag and drop. If you want something, if you want a picture, then if you want a picture, then if you want a picture, then just put it on and browse. Let's go with this one. Here it comes to picture which you want. Let's do this one. And full of features, right? Let me just type rafting on RAFT rafting, right? Just done, and you just have to change. If you can change your logo, if you can change your mail IDs. I'm just going to do uh, rafting style. Rafting style, right? I want to like make bold. I want to make this bold, and I want to give this size, font size, a little bit bigger because it's going to be my topic. Stylized. My font style I want to give Musala Comics. Font style I want to give comics. And I want to make this one a little bit bigger. And okay, guys, from here you can write and shoppings, right? And I just want to edit this one also because I don't want to have any shopping. Book now. This is the button, right? And save. Okay, I'm done with everything now. You can edit this one. You can edit everything. Okay, just by typing what you want. That is. And give the taste. Here you can see the send this email, right? Enter this email. This is all. Save and exit. Mm. Yo, HN. So, here you can make this kind of like landing page also. And from here, landing page. Let's go to email marketing templates. And again, I want to show something like there is so many things, and I want to show this also. In templates, while making a layout, right? There is like layout, template, and code your own. If you know how to, code, then you can make your own landing page also by coding, doing and themes. If you want to make any themes, like if you want to do a walk theme, then you can put this one. If you want to make any theme, just but in the middle you have to edit everything. Okay, guys, and just like that, the first I showed you how to make a landing page, right? It's just same like that. You can make yourself. If it is upgrade to use, then you're not allowed to take it without paying. You have to pay, and then only you are allowed to use. Let's go this one also. I'll show you what it is. Mm. Okay, then this is what I want. Okay, I'll just save it. Okay, save and exit, right? Jason 17. It will be saved, right, guys? Everything is saved now. What I have made is saved. And if you want to like, if you want to send an email, then just go to like all content, right, guys? All content, and go with all content. Then you add content and add input content and copy and paste, because you are going to copy and paste. And the first is import from another service, because we are not going to import anything and upload a file. We are not going to upload anything, right? And copy and paste, this is the option which you are going to do. You're going to copy, and so continue, right? It comes like this. And let's enter one more thing. Let's go to mail. uh, let's go to this one, and let's copy and paste something. Okay, okay, let me copy this one. Okay, copy, and let's go to this one and paste. So just plus V, continue, and continue to tab. Continue, and visual wipe, complete the import, confirmation, right? That's it, guys. It's only the one thing about the video. And from here, and from here, and from here you can see the content, right? From you can go to all campaign, and it's for you, right? This is you want to send, and just put it on, and just put it on, and edit the form. Just type this one as Jason, just no, and you just put your email. Okay, save. The subject, what subject you want to do, what subject you want to put, I made like after my FTI drafting. FTI drafting, right? Just save it, and the post will be coming out here. And just send it and just send it. That's it, guys. How to send make email marketing, how to do email marketing. This is the process how you're going to do. And from here you can see campaigns, right? Audience, audience text board, all contain sign up forms, tags. Tags is also one of the important thing, okay? Because without tagging anybody, how you will not know anything about the audience segments, automation, website. But if you are having a website, then you can connect with them also. Because when you give your website link to in mail, that they will see your mail website and make the process how to work on it. And in create button, in create you can see automation emails. Like if you want to make a regular posting sending, then you can click on this and go. If you want to send a text, plain text, you can go with this one also. If you want the templates, then templates get into this, and you can have codings, themes, layouts, themes, whatever you want to have. And it's also one of the most important thing, guys. I if you want to have something like an ads, then if you want to have social posting, then you can do it from here also. If you want to get a link from the ads, then you can go on to this one and sign up form. If you want to go with this one, you can go this also. Email marketing, then postcard. If you want to go with postcard, then you can go one time sending, regular recurring abundance. Postcard sending means like you if you want to send a regularly, then you can go with regularly also. That is the one thing about it. And about the postings and digitally, everything is things about this digital marketing. In digital marketing, if you don't know how to do email marketing, then it is a waste of doing a digital. Because one of the best thing is doing email marketing is to get audience about your product, about your process, where you are going to stand. And it is also the one of the best thing about the tools. Is also the one of the best thing about the tools, and gives the best thing what you want to do and give what it is. Email marketing is also one of the best tool to go for the rest of the time and have some knowledge about it.